So I got these Orthopedic shoes. They're so wonderful. I got it in a size 8.5. They look really nice. You can see how beautiful they look, how lovely they look. They're so comfortable to wear in, and especially for someone like me that has foot pain, this is a great addition to my collection. It has cushions on the inside. The cushions are very soft and very nice and well padded on the inside. So if you're someone that you have pain in your feet, or even if you don't have pain in your feet, this is a great shoe to have and to wear. And you can see it was packaged really nicely, and I absolutely like it. I love the fact that it has a protective toe box right over here, and also it has a firm heel, so the heel area is really firm, and then you have this cushion and supportive area. Now if you take off the shoe, the insoles inside in here, you can see that they're really soft and they're very durable. So this will work well for anyone that has pain on their foot. It's very easy to put on. Just make sure you put the lap out, and then you just put it on, and you see it slips in really well with so much space and room to move your feet.